First of all, I welcome this particular initiative, which marks an important step and also initiative for EdU Hong Kong. We at EdU Hong Kong aspire to foster a vibrant culture of health and growth, creating a thriving workplace that supports our shared success and continued success. Your physical, mental, and emotional well-being is our key priority. And altogether, we can cultivate an environment altogether where everyone could flourish. Today is a pilot program for Wellness Expo, which marks a wonderful opportunity for all of us to come all together and focus on our health, whether be it mental, be it emotional, be it physical. With activities ranging from health checks to interactive experiences, this expo serves as a powerful reminder to take charge of our wellness journeys. I'm particularly excited that you will have the chance to explore AI technology for health assessments. Of course, this expo, Wellness Expo, is just the beginning, and I would like to take this opportunity to thank the HRO colleagues and your support for this important initiative. As a general principle, I hope all of you will enjoy the expo and, more importantly, have a high level of wellness. So congratulations, many thanks to the HRO team. Thank you for your participation and wishing you all the best. And more importantly, happy and healthy. Thank you.